I'm a vice president with Simco Logistics. We trade as Jack and Jill DSD. We're an East Coast distributor of ice cream, other frozen products, as well as beverages. Safety is a big part of what I do. My favorite feature in the Samsara dashboard is the inbox, because I literally use it every day. We've gone from 20 or 30 events that I'm viewing every day in the inbox to now I probably get less than 20 in a week. So you see almost a 90% reduction in the amount of harsh events. In the past 30 days, we had a situation where our truck was driving to our Maryland facility. He was in the right lane, drove the speed limit, doing everything right, and a vehicle went out of control, came across the front of our vehicle, hit us, and ended up going off the road. In the past, the other guy might have said it was our fault. When we looked at the video, 100% exonerated us. I present numbers every month on our losses, both in frequency of losses and the amount of money that we're spending on accidents. And we're down 40–50% in the number of accidents we have, and over 60% in what they're costing us. We're having much fewer accidents, and the ones we're having are more minor. I think the ROI for us is probably less than a year, which is amazing. And the numbers are so big that now that we get that benefit every year after. I talk to all my friends in the industry. I'm a big salesman for Samsara. They've been a great partner for us, and they've helped our business.